Bonjour, mon étudiant. J'espère que tu vas bien, and I hope that you're enjoying this marathon and you're able to solve all the questions well. If you have any doubt, put it down in the comments below, and I'll be more than happy to help. So, today it's marathon 4. If you have still not seen the previous videos, go back and check those videos, and I'm sure that you're going to love those videos. But always remember one thing, that those videos will only be beneficial to you once you have prepared all the topics. So you can go back and watch all the topics properly, prepare them well, and then come back and do this marathon. And put down your scores below, because I'm going to check out whosoever is mentioning their scores below, and one person I'm going to select, and there's a surprise for you at the end of this marathon. So I'm going to share that later. But before that, keep putting down your scores below. Okay, so let's quickly jump into today's video. Again, we have a mixed exercises of all the topics. So let's begin. Question 1. Complétez les phrases en utilisant les pronoms relatifs simple et composé. So it's a mixed question of simple and composé. Let's begin. First part, c'est un roman dash tu m'as parlé. So it's a novel dash you spoke to me. You spoke to me about the novel. So, duquel, because speak of something, parler de, okay? Le parc d'Ashravi me promener est très grand. The park dans lequel the park in which I am going to take a walk is very big, okay? 3. C'est un grand salon dash elle a trouvé sa baguette. So it's a big room where she found her bread. So where, okay? And where with an accent. Right now, I'll just check. No, I'm not able to take that accent. But do remember to put that accent, okay? It's very important. Otherwise, the word becomes or. Le chauffeur du taxi dash l'habite est gentil. So the driver of the taxi dash he lives is kind. So avec lequel, with whom he is living, is kind. J'ai perdu le stylo. Last part, j'ai perdu le stylo. I lost the pen. Dash, j'ai acheté hier. So j'ai perdu le stylo que j'ai acheté hier, that I bought yesterday. So mark yourself out of 5. How much did you score for the first question, okay? And make sure that you're marking strict. Do not give yourself half marks. At the end of the day, it's not about marks. It's about getting the correct answers. Question 2. Complétez avec les pronoms relatifs simples. Okay, so it is simple question. Paul a quitté sa femme. He's left his wife. Qui avait acheté une villa. So it is only simple. It's not a mixed question. Allons au futur scope. So that's a place. So with place we write OU, where the children are enjoying a lot. Okay, again, please, remember to put the accent. It's very important. Avez-vous ce livre dash vous m'avez parlé? So do you have this book that you spoke to me? Because now it's a simple question. It's not a mixed question. Otherwise, we would have written you once. It's a simple question. So we're going to take que. Okay. Que, or there is one more option that we can take. Okay. I hope that you remember that option. Which option can you take? It's parler de. And for DE, whenever D is there, which one another sample do we take? Do you remember? Don, très bien, très bien. Okay, so don would be the correct answer instead of que. Okay, why did I say que? Just to see if you are getting the correct answer. So always remember parler de. Either you can take the D prepositions or the don one. On ira a restaurant dash et tout près de chez nous. So we will be going to a restaurant which is, okay, which is near us, our place. Ces colliers sont très beaux que mon oncle a acheté pour moi. Je suis allée à Rome où j'ai vu plusieurs monuments historiques. So I went to Rome. We're talking about a place. Cet vêtement dash elle avait envie. So envie is desire. With desire, it's always DE. So again, don. Non, elle avait envie depuis longtemps. Ok, j'ai visité la ville dash Napoléon Bonaparte est né. J'ai visité la ville où Napoleon, where he was born. Cet homme qui passe devant la maison Emma est mon voisin. J'ai un grand ami. J'ai un grand ami. The appetite of this friend of preposition is coming. So we're going to write dont. Okay, it's not mandatory that D is always given. You have to see that with the sentence. C'est vous qui allez régulièrement à l'école. Okay. C'est Céline Dion dash la chanson. Dash the song. So song of Celine Dion. Whenever that of preposition is there in the sentence, it's not given, but once we relate the sentence and D is coming, we need to write dont. C'est une ville où je vais souvent. So now I think I'll get that accent. Yeah. Okay, so remember to put this accent. Il est sorti au moment. Again, we're talking about a time period. So again, OU. For time period also, we write OU. J'ai fait tous les exercices que je devais faire, that I must do, okay? So mark yourself out of 15. How much did you score for each part? Question 3. Pronom personnel, il va chez Hélène. So il va chez lui. Because we're talking about a person. Il a acheté les bagues. Il les a acheté. There is no preposition in between. À sa sœur. Voulez-vous apporter vos cassettes chez Myriel? Voulez-vous les apporter chez elle? Voulez-vous les apporter chez elle? Okay, so because here there is no preposition and after chez we're going to write pronom tonique. Voici mes nouvelles robes. So voici les. I told you it's going to make only sense once you know the concepts, okay? Donne-moi du sel. So donne-moi. Moi tua becomes murder if they're followed with Y or EN, okay? As-tu mangé du riz? So EN because D preposition is there. As-tu mangé? If it's in question form, you need to leave it as it is. In question form only. Il pense à sa mère. Il pense à elle. With penser, if it's person, we always write protonique. Il m'envoie des cartes. Il m'envoie. Okay, D preposition is there. As-tu reçu l'invitation? So là, tu reçu avec if it's in question mark, you leave it as it is. Es-tu venu du lycée? En. Es-tu venu? Question mark. Okay. So again, mark yourself out of 10. How much did you score? If accords are missing, just cut 0.5. If the personal pronoun is wrong, just give yourself 0. Okay, so that you remember the rule. Question 4. Trouver la question. Il fera froid à Paris. So, quel temps fera-t-il? Okay, if it's given in future, we need to write in future only. Eiffel Tower is made up of iron. En quoi est la tour Eiffel? Si nous avons des livres, est-ce que vous n'avez pas de livres? Because it's given in C, so question will be negative. J'apprends le français. Que apprends-tu? Pierre chante des chansons françaises. So, qui chante des chansons françaises? Ce sont des lapins. Lapin, rabbit. So, qu'est-ce que c'est? We write qu'est-ce que c'est only with animals and things. C'est une fille italienne. Qui est-ce? J'ai mon cours jusqu'à 3 heures. Jusqu'à quand as-tu ton cours? OK? Je pars de mes vacances. De quoi pars-tu? Okay, just note down the question, solve it, and then come back to this video and check. Do not be a passive, okay, passive person who's just watching the video. It will be of no use to you. Elle travaille avec son ami. Avec qui travaille-t-elle? Okay, again, mark yourself out of 10 for this question. Moving on to our last question. Adjectif et pronom démonstratif. Tu aimes ces livres? Moi, je préfère. So, qui sont sur la chaise? Cette maison est plus grande que celle de mon frère. Je n'aime pas ce crayon. Montre-moi celui-là. In the sentence with a blank, we always write la. Ces robes ne sont pas belles. Choisissons, because robe is given in plural, celle-là. De quel garçon parlez-vous? Celui-ci, celui-là. Because there is a choice, you can write C and la both. Okay, so we've done 5 questions here. That's our 4th marathon. Keep marking your scores below because there's a surprise at the end of this marathon, and I would love to select anyone out of all of you and would love to give you the surprise. So, and I'm sure that you're going to love it before your board exam. So do solve it. Check your answers. If you have any doubt, put it down in the comments below and I'll be more than happy to help. Keep watching the videos and thank you so much for sharing all your love. I'm going to see you in the next video. Au revoir.